DJM TV.
Good evening. I greet you with peace and love. In this life, whenever, now I use the language where all of them will understand. Whenever person, they try talk to you, advise you, and you not agree with what they talk, that one not automatically mean say that person are your enemy. When I share my own insights about Amotekun and Eastern Security Network, that does not mean I hate Igbos. That one not mean say I hate everybody where they East. Now so now they try one project them, but not be so it be. Since that day can't reach now, the different death threat where my enemy don't see, more than 50 from different mumu people. The one we can even mumu pass inside all of them, because all of you now where they send the death threat and they check on the IP, so I didn't know we all of you are dead. I checked the last one. The boy they live for even 25 minutes drive from my house. So they stay for Frankfurt here. 25 minutes drive from my house. And you even enter Germany. Because your address now is Ziheim. Meaning you dey for Aduro house. Okay, you dey for Aduro house. You dey send death threat give person. And now I don't get your IP, I don't see you finish. What if I come there now? How you can do? This same Uniron come say that they pursue you for Africa, make Germans protect you. You dey here now, you dey from here, they 30 person life. You guys where you run now. That I not get your time because I know say na frustration. And I even know the origin of your frustration. So I dey pity you because you be like patience for my eyes. And you be like who they sick, we need help. So I know they to give you energy. I know the origin of your pain. But the breaking news of today now I'll share with you. I'm sharing this because when you talk to people, they think maybe you carry personal thing against them. No. Sometimes some of us they see things when you know if you even think, talk let's say you want go to see them. And when somebody they talk, you no agree, it no mean now say you don't be enemy. Either you listen or not listen. No, you take am personal. Not take am personal. So you might agree, you might not agree, but just take it as this man yesterday share his own opinion. Now so why are they always very careful anytime I speak about anything relating to hip-hop is that I know the trick and the mind game will not the kind one play. And the trick is that he want make sure say he project and say everybody hates Igbo people. So that on a normal Igbo man can feel like, hey, the whole Nigeria hates us, so we not get any option than to follow una the canon. Now lie, we know it now. We love Igbo people. As I day here now, I will see better Igbo woman wey know himself. I'll marry and drive my wife. We not get any problem with Igbo people. Now, iPod people, now me personally get problem with. And normally, I don't even get any problem with you. But from the day where una the canon start to the add a do join Biafra. Now, from that day, we start to the get problem because I know my history. I know the way my ancestors still suffer, build our empire, build everything where the whole world they join us celebrate today. I not be one Abino from London. Can they say, they get their dead na empire? Can they bribe all those monkey face and all those sick people? Made that they join you, they patch those lies. No. We not feel quiet. So if you not the Kano wise, you need to stop to the include Edo, join your so-called Biafra. Then normally not concern you. Are even too busy for you. So stop to the add Edo, join your problem. They join your Biafra, and then we will not get anything to discuss with you. Carry your 5 states, go fight Nigeria, carry your Biafra. All this why we they brainwash some our Asian brothers. They tell them say Asian are Biafra. I know say wise and educated Asian people know, so they're not even listening to you. Wise and educated ones know. But yeah, as we all know, many black people do in general. So we still get some of our Asian brothers. They not still know. And then they think say people like monkey face, una the canon, I can they teach them history. I can they teach them our history. But that's not a problem. I just want to share the breaking news. Somebody was sending it for me, so I just felt like my just still share, so that those of una where they busy the same person death threats, una know say don't be say person hate una. Now just person just still feel like may just still express little way know with una. Then me your chi. If your chi accept the truth, you feel take. If you not accept the truth, then you follow where your destiny one make you follow. This one a message like Nigeria Army Chief of Staff. He don't under other troops now. May they shoot and sight any Eastern Security Network personnel with the sea. Because why? According to the Nigeria Army spokesman, Eastern Security Network no consult anybody wey relates to Nigerian government before they form whatever they form. Just like what I've talk. So it just means say you be like you carry boys come out for bush, put gun for their hand, they form you don't be Eastern Security Network. It's never done like that. Just like I go Benin now, enter Unibe, pack all court boys with Unibe come out, where they form without be Benin Kingdom Security Network. That's not how it's been done. We still be country. Since you say you don't want to fight Biafra, you don't want to separate the, you don't want to fight for your Biafra again. Since you say not be down your agenda again, then you don't get any option. You must follow our constitution because we in Nigeria. At presently, we in Nigeria, now we still identify ourselves with Nigeria. So this is what they said. They said the Nigerian Army has allegedly begun secret hunts. I read that out from here. Has allegedly begun secret hunts for the camps belonging. I'll post the link down later so that I'll feel read that for myself. The secret hunt for camps belonging to Eastern Security Network, ESN, of course. A vigilante group created in Southeast by IPOB's leader, Manzi Nnamdi Kanu, without the supervision and approval of both regional governors and Igbo elders / Oyanize Idigbo. Those of now we don't know the Oyanize Idigbo, now them be like the male person self we suppose even they fight for this Biafra. If those one now start say they want fight for Biafra, their gods and ancestors go support them. Because why? It keep it grounded. It keep it grounded. You not consult your elders. You not consult none of the governor. You never consult your own normal youth people. Meaning I just you and your poor people. The same you way don't say they form army. Now I say you don't get security. I bet me I continue the reading. I just want to read them for you to, for people to hear. Especially those way they sabi send death threats. Yeah, they send death threat. If person you never even know. And when you write out already if you kill you never even know it you put yourself. According to a source from Army Headquarters Kaduna, who spoke under the condition of anonymity, revealed that the military head chief, General Tukol Buratai, had brief meeting on Sunday over the uprising threat of ESN, Eastern Security Network, imposing threats on the country. Okay. He said Here in our camp, troops left on Monday night to join those on ground for the search of the camp belonging to ESN. I don't think the order is to arrest. Rather, it is a command to shoot at sight because the general described them as a dangerous armed terrorist, the source said. Meanwhile, residents in some parts of Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia has raised alarm over what influx of soldiers trooping in their town since Monday. Okay, according to source in Ebonyi State, the soldier arrived in community around 10 a.m. at night on Monday. Our people are very scared. Some has left their home in fear of the rising tension, he said. Okay, let me stop it there for now first. What you have to know now is this. It is already clear that this so-called Eastern Security Network, it never start to, the future already they compromise. So my dear people, if you be evil man where you know itself, where they listen, Mona go start to dey form something where get future. Not be this new format or now the cannot take come out. Don't forget, say promise the people, say now this December he want scatter Nigeria, he want give them Biafra. He don't see him now, say he not get any idea, option. He don't even know how he want to manifest that reality. So all he just drafts himself into now. My your back show them say our security network. Say our security people. So that it go come be like a buy time. Because why? This December now people for the ask and say, where the new country, where our country, where our Biafra? Go see where power they display say they want to fight Nigerian army. If you wise, I know say that they manipulate your emotions because of the pains where you carry within you, because of the Biafra war, I know. But if you wise, go they heal yourself first. Don't let anybody come they use your emotion. They promise you say, he want to give you one country. Go focus on healing yourself. Connect yourself with your ancestors. Go meet all those DBA where they your land, where you know their self. Tell them say you want to do cleansing from the karmic load where they follow you, they come for the past life. Tell them say anytime you they listen to una the canoe, na so hunger you they get. I beg you need help. They go do oracle for you, afar or whatever that they use. They go check out for you. They go do what they right for you. Then if you not see they follow that lane, come in as spiritual.
DJM TV.
Palestine make me fair they propose that one. If you not see they follow that lane, look for better church where you know say this pastor, if they see know himself, sabi pray, God they use him. Tell and say I beg. This Apple thing, if I hear my own to you, the verse, I beg, Mona heal me, Mona help me. Heal yourself first, so that you will feel day free from the spell of Nnamdi Kanu. If you fail to heal yourself, the spell of Nnamdi Kanu, it no go stop for only your body. You go die. Your own pikin go constantly inherit the same karmic load. Maybe that Nnamdi Kanu no dey alive again. Of course, he must still hold die someday. He go constantly get another Nnamdi Kanu. Before you know, IPOP go come be religion. He already they tell na say mama na Mary, the papa na this and those. I don't really care about those stories. All those one are fairy tales. But what I really want to share with you is, we love you. We love you. Not they too quick to the form. You are a person. That one not go heal you. It not come on hair from my body. It not go heal you. Now you still they carry that heavy load for your heart. Go and heal yourself and focus on your life. If you serious, say you don't like the way Nigeria they function, go start with your local government chairman. Carry and sit down for ground. Tell them me accountable for you. How they manage this local government. If you feel start from there, let me say you feel one day achieve your rep, one day achieve your governor, one day capture your own state. If you not feel start from ordinary your small local government, forget that dream. say una come carry share Nigeria. No, Nigeria not be property of Nigeria. I'll break it down again. Nigeria, where you see so as a country, people they giant demons, many devils. People they will see that around this world where don't share that Nigeria as property. Now then they control everything where they happen there. Who now they can not get any power to say want to share Nigeria. They're not the supporter and I make enough it happen. Because you know why they're not the supporter? Nigeria government, which is a loyal slave, they are very humble and they pay their tax to their slave master. And as long as you stay faithful and loyal to your slave master, nothing will happen to you or your government. So if Nigerians serious, Mo will stop to the think small, tribe, I be this, if be that. Mo stop all those nonsense. Then make we locate ourselves. You will don't get sense. You will say you know something. Locate the second person. Even if say na Oyo ide, na Anambra ide, na Kano ide, na Sokoto ide. Mo locate ourselves. That time, inside 200 million people, we'll consider say 50 million people don't wake. Okay, we will be 50 million now. How can we impact this nation? How will it change things? Now those one be the only solution for Nigeria. If you dey think I separate, you no understand anything. You no know what they go on for Africa. You no know the solution to Africa problem. Separation and division no go ever solve Africa problem. Now love and unity now be the only option where we get if we serious. But if we not serious, yes, then we feel busy, they kill ourselves, they go. At the end, the situation go come even worse, it not go change. So stop all those illusionistic mindsets. Stop to the dream. Stop to just the wish say, it happen like this, it happen like this. No, not be so it they function. There is a structure where the earth they follow. And that structure, everything now get the law, now balance. So you know if you just come from one corner, why you just say now the kind of go the form saying are Jewish? Because he is wise, is smart. Just unfortunate say, you know the one Jew waiting know with people, he believes in now let him, but that ain't stress. The only reason why he go become a Jew now, he knows say Jewish now they control the banks, Jewish now they control the pharmacy, Jewish get powers on earth. So for his little mind, he can the thing say if he join Jewish, then he presents the case of Biafra. That one can make Jewish around the world look and say, these people are Jewish people. If not, someone go drink the fight because why? We don't fair promise Ojukwu when they fair the fight Biafra war. Say we want support Ojukwu. But waiting many pub not know today now why Ojukwu refused the help of the Israelis. Many pub not know that one. But no problem. He joined the Jewish finish. As he go Jerusalem, go the front saying oh wall, they pray. As he they do that one, now you can see the real Jews who are the Ethiopian Jews, they be slave here. Meaning Israel not really give a fuck about a black man. This is the most racist country on earth. So no level here, no hope here. Now make let me can divert from there. And now from where that man did that move, and from there I know say it don't fail. Because the only way where all this thing go fear ever take work self. Now if you connect with their Igbo spirituality. I have been opportune to study Igbo cosmology. It's so fascinating. Trust me. I know Igbo cosmology, I don't even know Benin cosmology. Because of the knowledge where they are available to me at that time. So when you follow Igbo cosmology, you know say, wow, these are divine people will get a very strong spiritual presence for this earth. That's why I connect so much with the AS HE DEY. But the problem with person they get now, it not connect a movement with nothing we attach their ancestors. So it be like pieces of paper, dry leaf, where they fly for hair. They don't fit give you Biafra. It not they grounded. That's the fact. You no need to agree to wetin I dey talk. You no need to believe wetin I dey talk. But you no need to still see me as your enemy because I just love you. I just love you. So it's okay if you dey vex. It's okay. I understand. Say you need to vex. You need to vex. You have been emotionally molested, psychologically tortured. So you have been captured already psychologically. You be like a prisoner for inside una the canoe hand. Not be your fault. It's just they all use all those your karmic load where is stuck within you, all those ancestral things where they follow you come from past life. 9 years they use till they control you. So now no level for what it take control you. The thing not strong. You feel break them. You feel break them by cleansing yourself and cutting those cords where connect you now with those events. If you feel do that one, sit down again. I promise you what I tell you so. Sit down again, listen to now the canon. You come to see and say, this guy don't make sense. But now it makes sense to you. But now it makes sense to you because you don't understand. So that's really what I just want to share with delete files, okay? That's really what I just want to share with you. I just want to let you know, even if say you'll be IPOB, you'll be Igbo, I love you. I not get any problem with any of you now. The only problem when I get now, stop to the tag a do join anything where concern Biafra. We don't get any relationship with Biafra. Where we they build empire. Many of you now never even know what they call society. We know na story. We know one come they talk at me, not come they be like say you they bring person down. And I personally don't like those things because all humans are special. But when you can't push person reach the wall, person you can't get option that to continue to tell you say no, we know how you play, we know how they go. So I wish you all the best. I send you all peace. I send you all love. Please know that Nigeria Army now don't point you guys out now, and they already do now. When I talk about Okpankman that day, many of you not know what to be Okpankman. No worry, Nigeria Army go start to visit all those villages now. Una go start to know, and Mona not forget say they very easy. The difference between all this IPOB and Boko Haram be say Northerners ready protect information from Nigeria Army. If Nigeria Army enter East, your fellow Easterner person, I go tell us, I can't see where the idol. So know where you from come, you know how you take the waka. If not, they'll just slaughter you through way. You ain't no talk because nobody wants separate anything separation now or civil war now. Nigeria civil war now threat to Europe. Europe not ready for anything migration. So Europe can even do anything to make sure say that civil will not go happen. So Mona understand the way the earth stay they function. Everybody they focus now on coronavirus, the world one end, things they happen, vaccine now they come mandatory vaccine we go rewrite the code of your DNA. You get better things to the worry about now. Not they form, you'll be Domigodo, you'll be Biafra, you'll be this, you'll be that. No. We all don't know Edo. We know our boundary. We know where our boundary pass. Edo not join Biafra today. You not join her tomorrow. You not join her yesterday. Biafra na even slave name. Yes, that never break am down for now. Now slave name used for slave trade route. Now it be. Now your slave trade route. Nothing special about the name self. They only fight put, and I make the fight not work because it was a wrong fight. Ojuku start war we not prepare for. Now the kind of sister war we not prepare for. How long gonna continue the waste on ourselves? So just come together, show yourself love, and bring out the best from yourself. Very soon now, Nigeria will do another presidential election again. Start to organize yourself now. Don't let all this IPOB issue they always distract una to the extent say nobody will come to take una serious because una they always think of say divide. No. For now, nothing they divide. It's either we all find solution together or we'll die there. Nobody they go anywhere. Una able scatter the country self. Now never scatter the country for say we come dey point things out. Now destroy that country reach like that. You know how many toxic things when I go dey buy come from China, they say that time when I dey small pikin, they say na Igbo made though. I can't grow now, I can't no say no, now just the cheap junks they come from out. I bet my arrest. I wish you all a nice day. Bye bye for now. Yeah, continue the search. I know the origin of your pain, so no problem. I dey pity you. You are just a victim and a patient. You need help. Bye bye for now.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.